All right, so today I'm going to show you a nice cute little card trick. You just need a regular deck of cards. You're going to take those cards, you're going to shuffle them up as much as you like in front of your spectator. Then you are going to fan them out and ask your spectator to choose a card. Let's say that they choose that card there, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to have them look at their card. Now I'm going to look away just for effect purposes. And what you're going to do is you're going to ask them to place that card back in the deck. They can put it anywhere in the middle. Then you can shuffle to your heart's content, shuffle the cards up as much as you like. Then you're going to fan those cards out and you're going to immediately pick out their card. So there is just a slight bit of deception that takes place with this deck, and you cannot do this trick with any ordinary deck. It has to be very specific, one that is designed in a certain way. If we fan these cards out, you're going to notice that the way that the pattern is done, there is a strict line. These elements cards, when you fan them out, they're meant to mimic, like this one's called the fire deck. It's meant to mimic fire. So it's more orange at the bottom. There's a line that goes through. So what you're going to do is when you fan those cards out and your spectator chooses a card, as they're looking at the card, you're going to bring your deck back together and then you're going to spin it around. And when you spin it around and they put the card back in there, the pattern is now not going to match. So that when you fan the cards back out, it's very easy to quickly identify where the card is. Now I'll show you that again, putting the cards back together. We're just going to choose any random card here, which is going to be the 8 of hearts. As you can see, the pattern matches here. When they're looking at their card, you are going to flip the deck around, placing the card back in, as it were. And then when you fan the cards out, it's going to be quickly identifiable as the 8 of hearts right there, because the pattern will not match. Do this fast enough, do it swiftly enough, and your spectator will never ever know that you have used a deck that did not have a matching pattern. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate I've gotten a lot of subscribers lately, and that's really amazing. Excuse me, really amazing to me. I really appreciate that. But if you'd like to buy this deck, I'll leave a link in the comment section below. It's one of my favorites. I've worked with it a lot. Obviously, it has a lot of chipping and whatnot on it, and it's just a phenomenally beautiful deck. I especially appreciate the Joker cards, which come in 2 colors, 2 tones. So maybe I'll do a little video on this deck later on. I need to get the ice deck, but anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.